Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. To every Muslim in every land, in every home, Ramadan Mubarak, welcome to the holy month, a time for reflection, prayer, and community. May it bring you peace. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be upon you. As we stand at the doorway of Ramadan, we welcome this sacred month with grateful hearts and humble souls. To our brothers and sisters across the world, we welcome you into the blessed month of Ramadan.
With the sighting of the blessed moon, Allah grants us another opportunity, a month of mercy, forgiveness, and guidance. Ramadan is not merely a month of hunger and thirst. It is a divine invitation to purify the heart, discipline the soul, and draw nearer to our Creator. This is the month in which the Qur'an was revealed, a guidance for humanity and a clear criterion between truth and falsehood.
Allah prescribed fasting not to burden us, but to elevate us, to teach us taqwa,
self-restraint, and awareness of Him in every moment.
Fasting is an obligation upon every able believer, yet Allah is most merciful, granting ease to the sick, the traveler, and those unable to fast. Those who are ill, those who are traveling, the elderly who cannot endure fasting, and those with genuine hardship are granted ease by Allah. And whoever is ill or on a journey, then an equal number of other days. This is the mercy of Islam, an obligation rooted in compassion, balance, and divine wisdom.
Every fast begins with intention. Eat before dawn, not only to nourish the body, but to strengthen the soul for worship.
When fasting, guard your tongue, your eyes, and your character.
If anger approaches you, say, I am fasting.
Ramadan revives the prayer. Stand before Allah in the night, for these moments shape hearts and transform lives. In this month, generosity multiplies. Give in charity, feed the fasting, and know that what you give for Allah is never lost. Break your fast with gratitude, for the prayer of the fasting person at iftar is answered.
Seek the night of power, for it is better than 1,000 months. A night where destinies are written and sins are forgiven.
Ramadan strengthens families, heals hearts, and reminds us that worship is most beautiful when shared.
Ramadan Kareem. O young believers, let Ramadan shape your future. What you build in this month can guide you for a lifetime. Turn back to Allah with sincere repentance, for the doors of forgiveness are wide open in this blessed month.
Through fasting, Allah teaches patience, not just for hunger, but for life itself. Though our lands are many, our fasting is one. Ramadan unites the Ummah as one body.
Observe moderation in eating and sleeping, for balance allows worship to flourish.
Let Ramadan not change us for a month, but prepare us for a lifetime of obedience.
O Allah, accept our fasting, our prayers, and our repentance.
Grant peace to the Ummah and allow us to witness Ramadan again.
As we conclude this reminder, we ask Allah to accept from us our fasting, our prayers, and our sincere efforts. May Ramadan leave us better than it found us. Until we meet again in His remembrance, may the peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be upon you all.